welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a summer corn salad. Gorgeous looking and absolutely delicious and fresh to eat. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to make the dressing for the corn salad. So it's 5 teaspoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of lime juice, a 1/4 of a teaspoon hot sauce. Dump that in there. 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. There we go. Now we're going to whip that together like this. We're going to set this aside and we're going to make our salad. So we're ready to make the summer corn salad. So 1.5 cups of corn, frozen corn this is. 1.5 cups of diced tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, whichever is your choice. 1/2 cup of cucumbers. 2 teaspoons dried basil. And 1/4 cup onion. Let's stir all that up. Doesn't that look wonderful? Oh my gosh, that is so pretty, so fresh, so healthy. Wonderful. So now we're going to put on the dressing. The olive oil, lime, salt, and hot sauce. Let's dump it all over it. So good. Stir it all over the vegetables. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look good? I love fresh, crunchy stuff. Okay, let's put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. And then when we take it out, we're going to put feta cheese on it.